Here are some bizarre things that happen to you once you start exercising. You start craving healthier foods. Yeah, in the beginning, once you start moving and becoming active, you might start craving those pizzas and hot dogs and junk food. But as you continue your journey, studies have shown that you're gonna start craving nutrient-dense foods. Physically, your body is gonna start craving nutrients to help repair and build muscle and to keep you going on your fitness journey. And psychologically, because you're on that mission to becoming a healthier version of yourself, your mind is gonna send you signals to make the right choices when it comes to food. 2. Physical activity makes you a more creative person. Exercising promotes oxygen to your brain, which opens up the free flow of ideas that you generate throughout the day. If you're an entrepreneur, a manager, a student, an artist, a healthy you is always you at the top of your game, and there's no doubt about it. 3. You secretly inspire and motivate other people without even knowing about it. Just by you exercising and becoming a better version of yourself, people who follow you on Instagram or friends and family who are seeing your progression, most importantly, the people that live in your household, like your kids, seeing you as a good influence. Whether it's conscious or subconsciously, you are definitely inspiring other people and motivating others just by doing you. These are unusual impacts of fitness that you don't really think about, but they're definitely worth considering if you haven't started your fitness journey or if you're struggling in staying consistent. Keep going.